Housing is so important for both the individual and the community. For the individual or a family, it's the foundation upon which their health, their well-being, and future success is built upon. As a community, it is the basis for an inclusive and diverse community, which is one of our greatest strengths. And it's also the basis for sustainable local economic growth. In Fairfax County, homelessness remains a challenge, like it does in communities all across the country. Our strategies that were developed over 10 years ago helped us achieve a lot of success, actually reducing homelessness by almost half. But we have a long way to go.
People being homeless, they struggle with the confidentiality, they feel alone, and New Hope gives you hope. You know, they got the support, you know, they're there to counsel you, mentor you.
When shelters first started, it was about keeping people safe. And often it was just overnight, and there were not support systems in place. Today we take a team approach, and we have people with expertise in employment, housing, community case management, and we work with the Community Services Board, Employment Commission, any sorts of links we can make for people.
So we connect with people experiencing homelessness in a variety of different ways. We really operate with a no wrong door policy, so wherever they present needing services, we try to serve them there. So they can contact our office, any of our shelters or nonprofits that we contract with, but we also go out into the community and actually look for people to try to connect with them with services and engage with them there too.
People experiencing homelessness are a very diverse group. They are the people in our community, both families with children and individual adults. The stories are all individuals, and the reasons that they experience homelessness varies a lot. They may be experiencing a health crisis, have lost a job, many are fleeing domestic violence, but the theme that cuts across all people experiencing homelessness is that their income does not match the cost of housing in our community.
I was a barber while I was incarcerated, so I had those skills. I was able to get an apartment with a roommate, and that worked out for like 6 months, and then after that things was just a little tough, and I came back to being homeless again. And then New Hope Housing came in to help me out, and from there I was able to leave out of here, you know me, with some skills.
The important thing is to see each person as an individual and to hear what they think is the right next move for them, as opposed to what we think is the right next move. And it's an issue of building trust with that person so that they will tell you all these things, even the bad things that happened in their past, which help inform you as a staff member on what the next positive step can be.
So when our outreach workers go out into the community, either looking for people experiencing homelessness or purposely to engage with somebody that they're already aware of, they can provide a variety of different services. Anything from basic needs like providing somebody with food, clothing, a blanket, all the way up to assistance with employment, housing, and really any service in between. We also partner with the Fairfax County Community Services Board and the Health Department to provide behavioral health and chronic and physical health services in the community to people who are unsheltered as well.
There's nothing like helping people that's homeless, that's living literally in the woods or somewhere else, or in a homeless shelter, to get their place, to get their own place. You share the feeling that the happiness they feel when they get to their own place, and that's something that I just really can't describe.
I really view housing as a basic human right. I really believe that every person in our community deserves a place to call home, and that it's our obligation to ensure that that happens.
It's very exciting to see someone have a set of keys and walk into their own apartment.
Despite being a relatively wealthy community, we have islands of disadvantage, but Fairfax County is committed to creating a community of opportunity for everyone, where everyone has jobs and housing that they need.
Had it not been for the shelter, I would probably be on the other side of the fence with that sad story. But through New Hope Housing, they gave me hope. They gave me a second chance.